Hey, what's up, Quilt?
Everybody says they don't need AC. In Orange County, everybody's like, I don't need AC. We live right by the beach, but then every summer, like, I need AC.
Can you tell a story?
I was reading a book called The Power of Moments. There's a story in the book that talks about this hotel in LA that people go to because they want to sit around the pool, and there's a red telephone that they pick up the phone and somebody answers and says Popsicle Hotline. The whole thing is like people go for the moment of getting hand-delivered popsicles while they're sitting around this crappy pool. And so we just made a joke at the time. I was like, oh, Popsicle Air, this would be great. Just being silly about it, but the more we were talking about it, we're like, oh.
The vision was just to kind of disrupt the industry, try to introduce something different to the HVAC world in the coastal Orange County area, make it fun, make it exciting.
Everything is very intentional.
You can't miss our vans driving down the street. Quilt, it's different than any other mini split out there on the market. It's an old, outdated system that Quilt is bringing back to life.
We work with top tier designers, and aesthetic and design absolutely matters, and typically mini split is a no-no. Quilt allows us to actually use mini splits more often, and sometimes it makes the application easier and actually cheaper for our client. And on top of that, the energy efficiency and the aesthetic, I think that's it's kind of a no-brainer.
They're very supportive. The response times are within a minute or two, which is kind of unheard of. I think what we're looking most forward to is growing together. We're a newer company. I know Quilt is newer to the industry in a sense. Being able to partner and grow together is something that's very exciting.